Mass producing the new F-150 requires new manufacturing methods as innovative as the truck itself, including an assembly line light years beyond anything Henry Ford even imagined.
It's an entirely different way of manufacturing, laying out the most efficient assembly, stamping, and recycling we've ever done at Ford.
Everything we have done in the more than 20 years has been aimed for this moment.
Reinventing the F-150 manufacturing process pushed Ford engineers to new pinnacles of innovation.
The level of technology is beyond anything we've seen in our scope here at Ford Motor Company.
One of the key enablers was the development of all the computer modeling and methods that model all of the stamping tools used to make the aluminum parts.
We can dial in those tools to where you don't get drift. There's a lot less metal finishing work. And that precision in stamping allows us to dial in a more precise body. You are going to benefit both in reliability and durability.
To be tough and durable, the truck has to have a strong, stiff cab and box. The key to that strength is in the joints, where one metal piece meets another.
These big things you see behind me are actual rivet guns. The frame of a rivet gun is a big seat clamp, because you need pressure on both sides to nail that rivet in for a lot more solid and stiffer construction. There's also flow drill screws.
We use flow drill screws where we don't have access to both sides of the joint.
Think of one-sided screws where you have to come in, shoot a screw, and it's often holding heavy-gauged aluminum.
As it starts to form the threads, it'll speed up and it'll complete the fastener.
Take that and you supplement it with adhesives.
The use of adhesives in current truck manufacturing is routine, but there's nothing routine about this new process.
When you are laying down hard mechanical joints, and in between those joints laying down adhesive, you've got essentially one continuous joint for stiffness, for strength. Our specification for that adhesive is 3 times greater than anybody else's today in the industry. When you marry that with the precision that you manufacture this with, it really impacts dynamics when steering and handling, whether empty, where it feels incredibly nimble, or with a trailer behind you.
Because aluminum is so recyclable, it's been integrated into the system, minimizing energy use and waste.
We took a hardline approach on how we would design this facility to be better equipped to recycle. As a result, our footprint is going to be very minimal.
We take all of our processed scrap, we shred it, we can separate it by grade, and it goes right back to the supplier, right back into the stream again.
Just as prototype trucks are tested mercilessly, so is the manufacturing process. First in a lab facility, and again in the factory.
Robustness testing has gone into all of the body construction and assembly processes.
It means that that first truck that comes off of the line is going to be right.
The payoff is a truck that's incredibly rigid, lighter, and stronger than ever before possible.
Why all this advanced manufacturing? To build a better truck. When we apply these principles and these standards, and you get the precision that we're going to get every cab, every box, every time, you have got one solid construction. When you build it right, it benefits the customer for all the years that they own the vehicle.
Coming soon, you'll see the next generation of EcoBoost technology and find out just how effective horsepower can be.